Because even if one bee attacks you, you need to be ready.
Yes.
Which they don't. But this at the same time, there is that inner fear that everybody has. Okay? And fear coupled with the awe of who they are,
Yeah.
it puts you in that state whether you want to be or not. So मेरी तो उसी वक्त बस लव शुरू हो गया था बीस के साथ. And I wanted to know if I wanted to pursue it. I was in Jacksonville, Florida at the time. There's this lark bee company there. I went and did a beekeeping course. I absolutely loved it. I got stung twice at that event, but I didn't care. फिर जाके eventually I did a course from Cornell University's Small Farms program. Cornell has the best beekeeping program in the world. I was just smitten by bees. And फिर उसके बाद मैंने आना था पाकिस्तान. जब मैं आई हूँ, my mother had really bad arthritis. And I knew from my own experience of being stung that once you're stung, your aches and pains go away. So I wanted to help her. She couldn't hold a chai ka cup. It was so bad, her arthritis. And I tried to figure out, at that point I didn't know much about bee venom therapy. I tried to figure out how am I going to help her. And I decided to extract some venom, did some research, took some venom out, put it in some olive oil, and I gave it to her. And 4 days later, I asked her, "आप लगा दी?" She goes, "Oh, मैं लगाना भूल गई, वो दर्द खत्म हो गई."
Oh wow!
So my mind was blown at that point because there was such little bee venom in that oil.
Wow!
And she used it for such little time that I'm like, how could that have happened? So I started distributing my bee venom oil to people. I'm like, okay, let's see what happens. And सबकी दर्दें ठीक होने लग गई. So I knew in that moment that I had to find a teacher, which I did. And I apprenticed with him for 3 months.
Where is this?
So this person, this was 10 years ago. There was this Baba here in Lahore who's a 3rd generation bee stinger, and I found him sitting in a bank. This banker guy was asking me कि आप आजकल क्या करना चाह रही हो? मैंने बोला मैं ना ये bee stinging सीखनी है मैंने. He says मेरी बहन के पास एक बाबा आता है. So I got his number. He came to my house for 3 months, made me write notes, made me practice on him, how to hold a bee, how to sting, everything. Okay? Then he made me practice on myself. Then he said, okay, now you're ready.
Wow! So, wow! That's a story, guys.
Yeah. But eventually, this micro stinging technique, because it's a very rare technique, I think there are only 12 people in Europe doing it right now. I went to Portugal to a teacher over there who's been doing this for 30 plus years. And I learned how to do micro stings also. So I am now versed in the bee venom therapy of the East, our South Asian, and of the West.
Beautiful. So what is the difference between bee venom therapy and the other therapy?
So if, let's say, someone prescribes honey, okay, for an illness, that person would also be considered an apitherapist because he's used a bee product. But bee venom therapy is a specialty. Not every apitherapist knows how to do bee venom therapy. And microstings तो बहुत ही rare है. That's actually a technique developed in Japan, and there are only 2 teachers in the world who are English speaking who are teaching it, and one of them is my teacher.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So wow, I think we have a beautiful story. I think I'm going to have the experience of getting a bee sting today from Vidya, and you will get to see what it is all about and how it all goes. What is the process? And I think it's a big thing that it's a pain killer basically, because I have experienced it. And I think हम ये जो Brufens और ये सब पेन किलर्स सिम्फ्लेक्स वगैरह ले रहे होते हैं, I think trying some new methods, trying new things to change that pain into something that does not happen anymore is something that I am journeying into, and I'm discovering these new people who are actually working so hard at doing this already. So thank you so much, Vidya. It's a pleasure having you on our show, and thank you guys for this lovely time. Bye.